In a world torn by war, when dragons soared and kingdoms clashed, heroes rise to claim their destinies. Welcome to the era of Avalon, where legends are forged and battles are won by the bravest of hearts. Meet King Arthur, the fearless champion of Avalon. With his sword of justice and unwavering courage, he leads his allies to victory against the dark forces of Morgan Le Fay, who threatens this once flourishing land. Joining Arthur is the enigmatic Merlin, master of the arcane arts. With his wisdom and mystical powers, he unravels the mysteries of Avalon's past and guides the heroes on their quest. But in this war-torn land, alliances become fragile and betrayal lurks in the shadows. Will these heroes be able to overcome their differences and unite against a greater threat? Only time will tell as they journey through the heart of darkness, facing challenges and trials that will test their honor, their loyalty, and their resolve. Are you ready to join their fight and become a legend in your own right? Come to us. The very fate of Avalon rests in your hands.